We are happy to present Andromo Academy, an educational section that will allow you to become a professional in creating and promoting mobile apps quickly. You can gain knowledge at different levels: beginner, pro, and advanced. Beginners can learn how to create an app and add it to the App Store in just 30 minutes. More professional developers can learn more about app monetization, and advanced developers can get insights on mobile apps promotion. After completing each course, you can pass the quiz and get a discount for an annual subscription. Visit Andromo Academy and get smarter, get benefits.